Hey everybody, it's Sean again with Divine Dents.
Sometimes the access isn't proper, so we have to use the other system called glue pulling. What you see there is a tab that will lift the dent up for us. Most often not perfectly, so we have to lift it up and knock it down and lift it up and knock it down until the panel is flat. Glue pulling can be typically a longer process, but just as effective. Unfortunately, this dent couldn't be taken out 100%. At the bottom of it, there was a chip in the paint, and it would have pulled. If I had continued using the glue pull method, I couldn't put a tool on it, so this is as much as I can get, and the customer was completely satisfied, so we just move on. And fortunately, he's called me back to do another job, and I'm excited to work on that one too. So check back with us on the next one. Have a good one.